Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we will discuss about what is a lead conversion in Salesforce and how you can convert a lead into a contact, account, and opportunity. Because as a sales rep, right, as a Salesforce user, it is a very important topic or concept that you need to know in order to use Salesforce, or else you are part of sales process or marketing process. It would be good. So basically, let's discuss what exactly is this lead conversation. So in Salesforce, right, a lead is a person or a account who is a potential customer who has interested to purchase our product, right? So let's say when you qualify a lead, I mean, when you get a lead, right, the first thing you will do is you will contact them in any of the channel like call or email, and then let's say if they are interested to purchase our product, then you will create an account for them, a contact, I mean who would be the point of contact from the client end or the customer end, and an opportunity, where opportunity is a place where it represents the deal you are working on, like what kind of products they are purchasing and what kind of subscriptions, and what we say, what is the amount of the deal that is happening. So all these things would be st- uh, you know would be updated in opportunity. And lead conversation plays a key role here, and lead conversation is like transforming a cold lead into a warm or an actionable sales opportunity. So basically, it's the bridge between a prospect and a customer, or closing a deal. So let's understand a use case scenario. From there on, we will move forward. So basically, a scenario, right? So let's say you are sales team, assume, or you are a sales rep, like, and you received a new lead called Jane Doe or any XYZ. Jane Doe is just an example, from a software demo form on your website. And Jane is someone who works at a company called Innovative Corp and is interested in purchasing it for the infrastructure for their office. So basically, you are a company and you are selling some infrastructure related products, and Jane is a person who has shown interest in your product and filled a form. That is how the lead is created. And then from there on, you will take the lead. So let's open this one to Salesforce, hands-on org, and go to this one. So basically, go to leads. So basically, we have 595 leads. Let's say we are going to create a new lead, and that guy name is Jane Doe. Store Jane Doe, Innovative Corp. This guy is an IT. Jane works at a company called, let's make him like IT admin for now. And this is not yet converted. And then he's interested to purchase the product. Let's keep it like GC 1000 series. Assume it as a any generator for the company. And then just save. This is just a test one, just for an example. Nothing fancy. Just, you see, we have created a lead. So basically, this is how a lead looks. And under the lead, right, as I say, lead is a potential customer. Then you can write, uh, whenever you do follow up, right, you can write anything here. And if you had a call, you can mention what was the discussion happened. So another sales rep can have some background on what is happening. And new event, if you are planning to meet the person or whatever, you can just note it. And if you want to email something, you can also email it, just like test, test. That's it. So everything would be updated. So this is lead, right? These are the details. And what you can do is, whenever you do something, you can mark it as working contacted. And let's say if the person is not interested, you can close it like close not converted. Or else if he agrees, then you can mark this and just click on here and click on convert. So basically this is how you can convert a lead. So when you convert a lead, right, you can create three standard records. One is account name, a contact, and an opportunity. So account name indicates the customer company, and contact indicates the point of contact whom we are going to deal with, and opportunity something we can get you know the deal details and the products they are purchasing. And this should be lead is going to close and marking as closed converted. Right, when you click on convert, it has created an account, a contact, and an opportunity. So basically this is the way how, I mean, why we use lead conversion, and why lead conversion is an important concept in the Salesforce. um yeah, and you know there are some there are some important points we need to keep in mind while working on a lead, right? Make sure you update all the required details on the lead, so that will help the other persons to understand why we are doing that and what is it. And yeah, I think that's the concept about lead conversion. Maybe in my next video I'll try to create how the lead conversion mappings will be done. And what else regarding lead? Yeah, I think that's it for this video, friends. And in the meanwhile, why don't I go to a thank you video? So thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and I hope you learned something new about Salesforce leads. And if you have any questions, right, please feel free to drop a comment. I'll try to explain it. And yeah, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Thank you and have a great day.